Okay guys, have you ever thought of how to add a sound to a video? Now, right here in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a sound to a video. Stay tuned, on with me. So what you have to do is, you open your Inshot application, select the video of your choice. Now we go down to music. Now you can actually import your sounds from a video or whatever. So let's assume you imported the sound, you just have to tap on it, and that is that, and the sound is playing in the video. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.